CapCut recently added new features that is changing the game entirely for video editors, and it is most important to beginners, complete beginners who want to go into the skill, who want to learn the skill of video editing. CapCut makes it very easy for you to get started, and it is one of those tools that my marketing agency actually use in creating content for businesses and individuals that we manage their platform for them. And I'm making this video because a lot of you have actually been asking what skills you should learn. It's part of your new year resolution and you're asking for the skills you should learn. Video editing is one of those high in demand skill that you can learn today and start making a lot of money from the comfort of your home. And these new features that CapCut has added, one of the new features is the template option, which I'm going to talk about today. There are other new features they have added that I'm going to be talking about going forward, but this template option is best for you even if you have been editing video for a while. It makes work really easy. And the real estate platform that we actually currently create content for, what we have been doing recently is using this template option. And you can use this for anything. You can use it for your own personal brand. You can use it for fashion designers. You can use it for almost anything. Now, the template option makes work very easy for you, and you could actually come in here and tweak this to fit whatever you want to promote. If I hover over any of this, for instance, let's look at this. Okay, if I hover over any of this, it goes ahead and play. You look at the preview of what that template looks like, and if it resonates with what you want to do, you can go ahead and just click on this option here that says use template, right? And all you just need to do is to replace the content on each of this template with what the brand you're promoting or whatever content that you want to replace it with. All right, so the template option is, you can access it once you open up your CapCut. You can access it here, and if you go to create new project, once you click on the create new project option, you can equally see the template option up here. So you can click it from inside of your project. You can click on that template option and you can go ahead and select any of this template, and then you just need to edit them and then change the content on it and use it to fulfill whatever you want to, right? So I'll just close this and then we'll go back to the template option. Once you open up CapCut, just click on the template option right here. Now I'm using the desktop because it gives you more advanced features that you can actually use to standard. If you want to really do video editing professionally for as a service, you offer this as a service, then there is need for you to have a laptop where you can actually install this, because the laptop gives you access. For me, it is a lot of people are more confident using the mobile app, but the laptop gives you a whole lot of access to a lot of things that you can use to do standard. Once you come in here, all right, once you click on the template option, let's start from up here, right? First, we have this option right here that shows all. You can show if you want to. Currently what is shown to us is the portrait mode. If you are going to be creating content for like TikTok, Instagram Reels, Facebook and the rest, you can use the portrait option. And if you want to change it to landscape, you can click on the landscape option, right? And then you go ahead. Then the next option you see right here is the number of photos. For instance, if I hover over this one, you see it here, right? It tells you that it's one. And then let me see again. Here it tells you, and then you see this one, it says 47. This tells you the number of asset, or the number of pictures or videos that you can actually use for this. For this one, it's actually 7, and it goes on, right? So if you've recorded content that carries a lot of videos, a lot of you want to join a lot of images or videos together, you can go ahead and select any of that in this category, or you can use a custom to actually indicate that. Then we have this other option that shows you from how long, the duration of the templates you want to use. If it is within 15 seconds or 15 to 30 seconds, 30 to 60 minutes, you can go ahead and select any of this. You can filter all of this here, and then it will sort out all of that for you, right? Then you have here for you can use these different options here that you have here and see different templates that you can actually have access to. If it is anything related to selfie, daily life, anything at all, just click on it and it gives you a whole lot of different templates that you could just click and just switch the video, right? Just change the videos in those content and automatically the editing is handled for you. For instance, if you want to use this template, you just need to do, let's see the number of pictures or number of videos or that are here, the number of assets we need, or the number of video clips and images that we need to edit this, about 30 something. I don't want to go because I don't have any number of those kind of numbers to start changes this. But this one I think is just one video, right? So I'm just going to use this to demonstrate this. For instance, for the real estate content that we've been creating, there are a whole lot of videos, the videos of the outside of the buildings, inside of the building, showing different rooms and all of that. So these clips are put together. For instance, if I want to use that with this one that says I need about 39 of those, I can just put them together. Or this one that says, for instance, right, you can see this one. All right, I can change all of this. If I like the videos, actually I can change all of this and then add my own content to it. So let's use this one right here, or let me use the one that has at least 10 videos, like this one for instance. Go ahead and click on it and you can preview it. If you like it, go ahead and click on this option that says use template, and that will load up inside of your CapCut. And once you load up, we just need to tweak, all right, change the text if you want. So right there, once it loads up, you will see it right here. Okay, so this is it. If I click on it, I have the option to change the text, right? Once I click on it once, I have the option to change the text to whatever I want. I can go ahead and type in here digital, and then the next one we can say digital Leonard, whatever it is, and then digital Leonard moments or whatever it is, right? So this is how you change the text that comes with this, right? You can always change this. Anyone that you don't want, you can just go ahead and delete it, and that will go off your screen, right? So you can see all of that right there. So let's just go ahead and leave it as digital Leonard moments. So that's how you change the text that comes with it. Now, the next thing is if you want to change the videos, the clips that comes with this particular template, you can see here that we have 9 clips that we need to change, right? 9 clips to be changed, to be replaced. You just click in here, right? And then once you click there, you'll see this option, all right, pops up. These are all the clips that we have here, and they are all video clips, and we can just go ahead and change this. So first, so to begin to replace these clips here, you need to import your clip from your laptop. All right, so you just go ahead and click on import, and then you can go ahead and search for where you have those clips that you want to replace. And once you have those clips, you just need to, for instance, let me just go ahead and use the library here. And so to do this, just import some clips. I'm not going to import any clips here, but let me just go to the library and be able to use some stock images or videos right here. Okay, so I just go ahead and download some of these images and stocks images right here. Anyone, let me just show you an example of that. So once you click on that will replace. If I want to hide it, I just click again to hide it. And once any of these downloads, let's say this one here, I can just select it. So let me use something different so that you'll be able to see it. This one was just a black background that I used. So right here, I just replaced it with that image there, and you can see that it has been replaced. And let's look for another one. So I can drag this to the next one, and it replaces that as well. Now I'm replacing this using images, but the default, all right, the default template comes with videos. So it means that you can replace it with videos or replace it with images. So I can just go ahead and keep selecting on, and then go ahead and replace all of these at once, right? So you just go ahead and replace the clips. And once you are done, let's do this one more. Once you are done, right, you can go ahead and look at how it looks like, right? For instance, this particular one, let's go to where it says edit. So once I click on the edit option, you can replace, all right, this if you want to. You can crop it. If I click on the crop option right here, you can now shift this. Let's say I want to focus on the lady alone that is writing. Okay, I can go ahead and do that. And I can equally use this slider here to rotate and position this the way I want it to be, right? And after that, you just go ahead and click, and that will be settled. Any of these that is selected, right? I can scale this if I want to. I can bring it back, and I can just adjust it the way I want, just editing this, right? Anyhow you want it, you can go ahead. If I want to edit this, just click on it, bring your playhead right here, and I can equally do the same with this image. If I want to, I can just click on edit, and I can crop or replace this if I want. All right, let's say I want that text to be fully shown, so I just go ahead and select that, and voila guys, that's what we have, right? And that's what we have right here. And just like that, okay, you have edited a video that you can use on your social media, or that you can send to your client to upload into their own social media platform. So with the CapCut templates, it's very easy to get started. You can use it to, what people are looking for right now is to edit their videos into short forms like this, and then post it on all their social media platforms. So you can use the template alone that has already been customized for you. use it and do a lot and then send it to businesses and start working for them, and that could actually be a source of income for you. Now, if you want to advance in video editing, which is something I will advise because it is one of those skills that are very high in demand, and a lot of people are paying. Businesses, individuals, influencers, creators are paying a lot of video editors to edit videos for them. So it is a skill that you want to acquire, and CapCut seems easy to learn. There are a whole lot of free resources on YouTube you can start from, but if you want more, all right, if you want more, even if you want the physical training, you can visit us at the office and learn more. But there are a lot of free resources online that you can start with. So go and leverage on the CapCut template. It is available on the CapCut app, it is on the mobile app, and it is equally available on the desktop version as well. Right, you can use it to do a lot. So once you finish, all you just need is just go ahead and export, and then you can name your file right here, and then you go ahead and export, and you can download it and start sharing it on your social media platform. I hope this video is helpful. If you want more of CapCut tutorials, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll walk you through the lot you can achieve. Right, I've seen a lot of people or heard a lot of people say that CapCut is not for professional video editors. Why I agree with you, I'll equally disagree with you, because with CapCut, there are a lot of things you can do. If you can do anything, whether it is motion graphics or whatever, let me know what you can do using your DaVinci Resolve or your Premiere Pro, and then I'll replicate the same thing using CapCut. Right? The most important thing is the result. It's not about whether it is CapCut you're using or it is Premiere Pro or DaVinci. The name of the software alone doesn't pave way for you, right? The most important thing is, can you deliver this? Can you do something like this? Can you give us this? Once you can satisfy your clients, that's the most important thing. And CapCut has a lot of features that you can use to achieve anything at all. Whether it is motion graphics or whatever it is, you can achieve that, all right, to some, because all of these templates I'm sharing with you, they are all created using CapCut. So go take advantage of it, and I believe that you definitely love it. All right, that is it for this video, guys. If you have gained value from it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you want more videos about CapCut or how to edit videos or some other skills that you will learn and start making money from the comfort of your home, let me know in the comment section, and that video will be dropping next. That is it for this video, guys. I'll see you in my next video.